you are requested to find this angle alpha, right? This angle. So to find this one, just the first thing, ABCD is just a square. If it is a square, all four sides are equal. This one is equal to this one, equal to this one, and equal to this one. On top of that, what is given? ABE, triangle ABE is an equilateral triangle. It is, if it is equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal. This one, this one, this one. That means this side is equal to the side of the square, and this side is also equal to the side of the square. And if this side is equal to the side of the square, this side is also equal to this side. So that means just if it is equilateral triangle, just the sum of interior angles of equilateral triangle is, any triangle is just 180 degrees. So that means there are three sides, so three angles are there. 380 divided by 3, it will be 60 degrees. So since all angles are equal, this will be 60 degree, this one also 60 degree, and this one also 60 degree. Then the other thing, if it is isosceles triangle, if it is isosceles triangle, this one and this one are equal sides. If they are equal sides, the angles opposite to these sides are equal. This angle and opposite to this one, this angle. So if this one is alpha and this one is also alpha, because opposite to this equal sides, the angles opposite to these two equal sides are equal. So that means this angle and this angle are equal. What is the measurement of this angle? It is the measurement of this angle is just 90 minus alpha, because this is 90 degree, and if you subtract alpha, it will be 90 minus alpha. Since we said they are equal, this means this one also 90 minus alpha. Then how about this one? This one is just total, it will be 90 degrees, so this one is just 30 degree, because 60 plus 30, it will be 90 degree. So from this one, we can say this plus this will be 180 degrees. So 30 plus 2 times 90 minus alpha will be 180 degrees, right? This one 90 minus 2, 90 minus 2, that means 2 times 90 minus 2. So 2 times 90 minus alpha is equal to 150, because if you subtract 30 from 180, it will be 150. Then 90 minus alpha is just 150 over 2. Then it will be 90 minus alpha is equal to 75. And alpha is 90 minus 75, which is 15 degrees. So the answer for this one, the alpha value is just 15 degrees.